Hello, YouTubers. I don't normally do these kinds of things, but I recently changed, especially not for this channel, but anyway, I recently changed my phone service from Verizon to Visible, and I got, somebody rang my doorbell, and they left this box. It's from Visible, and I'm like, what? Because it's got Captain Marvel stuff all over it. And I'm like, are there, like, movie tickets in here or something? But they sent me a box of candy. I'm like, you guys sent me candy. Why would you send and popcorn? What?
Candy and popcorn.
My kids are like right here with me. I'm like, what the actual heck? Thank you, Visible. I mean, my Verizon never sent me candy. All they sent me was a bill. So, hey, cool, awesome. Visible is actually a pretty cool company. I only pay like 40 bucks. I get 40 bucks a month. I get unlimited data. I get a free hotspot. I get all kinds of awesome service. And I also get candy too. So, hey, if you guys want to sign up for this, my kids are already starting to eat the candy. If you guys want to sign up for this, I guess I'll leave the link below. Really, really awesome and strange. Like,